Sorry, this, okay. Let's take a look at moving. That is the second part of this topic that we did last week, moving. Why is it not focusing? What is happening? Oopsie. Just see if I can get it to focus. There we go. Moving. Good. That is the next topic for this math situation that we have to deal with. Moving. Now, normally on that one worksheet, they asked you, did it flip, did it slide, or did it turn? The flip part was basically symmetry, because they are asking you, it looks like this. If the line of symmetry was through the half, what would it look like? And you basically just had to flip it over. That's how you figure out what a shape, the other line of symmetry. So if I give you a shape like this, and I give you a line of symmetry running through the middle, and I tell you, okay, tell me what the other half of this shape would look like, you literally just flip it and you have your answer. So symmetry and flip is the same. Moving and sliding is the same. This one, for me, I don't like to use the word easy, because what's easy to you is maybe not easy to me. But this one is maybe the most straightforward, because grade 2, if I move or if I slide this circle from here to here, did the shape change? No, it's still a circle. It didn't flip over. We literally just shifted it from the one place to another. We didn't turn it at all. We literally just moved it. Let's use something that's not a circle. What about, wait, let's use this one. If my triangle is facing that way and I say move it to the, to the right, and you moved it to the right, is the top of this triangle suddenly showing somewhere else, pointing somewhere else? No, because we didn't turn it, we didn't flip it, we literally just slid it over a few spaces. Now, when it comes to the specifics of moving, okay, this is where you will need to pay attention, because it will be in the quiz on Friday. When it comes to the specifics of moving, most probably you will get a grid with lines that have been drawn by a ruler and not freehand like me. Okay, so you will most probably get a grid with a shape that has been colored. So let's say this block, let's take this block, let's take, oopsie, my battery, this block, let's take this one, why not, and let's take the third one. Let's bring it one back, why not? Good. Now, listen to my instruction. I'm going to tell you now. This is the shape, okay? This is the shape. I'm telling you. Move this shape. Let's see, wait. 3 blocks to the left and 6 blocks down. I don't know if I can do 6. Oh no, I cannot do 6 at all. Let's say 4. 4 blocks down. Okay? Now, the easiest thing to do is to find a corner. Take any one of the corners that stand out to you. If you want to take this one, that's fine. If you want to take this one, that's fine. If you want to take this one, or that one, whichever corner of the shape you are comfortable with, don't draw a circle. You actually can if you want to, I don't mind. But just take that and put your pencil there. This is just a watching video. So look at what I'm doing. Now they say, move the shape 3 to the left. First I figure out which side the left side is. Remember, if I do this, the left will be the one with a capital L. So I move it 3 sides to the left. So now I go, and I jump from this corner to the next one. So I say 1, 2, 3. So now I know this will be my top corner, and now I have to color the rest of the shape. It was one block, and the corner that I chose from this block was in the top left, so that it has to be in the top left here as well. Then it went another block down. Oh wait, I shouldn't finish yet. Sorry. I shouldn't finish it yet. I made a mistake. Oh, I regret my decisions. Hold on. I'm going to fix it, I promise. It's going to look beautiful in 2 seconds. 1, 2. Okay, good enough. So we moved it 3 to the side. 1, 2, 3. Now we must remember to not do what Miss Itzebeth just did. We must finish the instruction. So we went 3 left, good. Now we have to go 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I am at my final resting place. Now, this is the corner I chose. This is the one that I used. Just ignore the other little circles. I can't erase them now. This is the one that I chose. And now I check. This was in the top left corner, so it must be in the top left corner of this block. Underneath this one, there was another one colored in, so I must color this one in. From here, it went 1 to the side, so I have to color in 1 to the side. It went 1 down, I have to go 1 down then. Then from here, it went another 1 down, so I have to color another 1 down, and then it went 1 to the side, so I color 1 to the side, and there we go. I've successfully moved this shape 3 blocks to the left and 4 blocks down. Okay, it's basically as if you did this, and I said move it 3, and you did this and this. You just have to go redraw it because you don't have the physical shape in your hand. Let's do another one. This time I'm going to use an easy shape to show you how to use different corners of the shape. Oh my word, that is terrible. I really want to use a ruler, grade 2, but then I'm going to make my ruler full of marker, and I don't really feel like doing that today. Here we go. Shoo, oopsie, that's a terrible line. Wow. All right. Now I'm going to choose an easy shape. I'm just going to make a little block. Oh no, why would I choose the same side? I'm trying to show you something different. Now I'm choosing the exact same side. All right, so let's do this block. Ew, not the one that's so... like that. All right, so this is the block. If I tell you to move this block 4 spaces up and 5 spaces right. Okay, let's say I say 4 up, 5 right. And you choose this corner. You have to remember it was the top left corner. So we go 4 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I remember it was the top left corner, and I colored this block, and I have successfully moved it 4 up and 5 right. If I said, I'm not going to erase that one, but if I said, move this shape, the first one, move it 6 right and 1 down. And let's say this time I chose this corner, the top right corner. Then I must remember that. And I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 down, but it was the top left corner, so now it's not this block, it's this block that I'm coloring, because that is the one that I used to move it. If I said 2, left, 5, up, 1, right. Then, and I chose, let's say, this corner, the bottom left corner. I went 1, 2 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, 1 right. But I don't color this block or this block because it was the bottom left corner, so I must remember that this is now the one that I color, or that one that will be shaded, will show me where to shade, and that's my answer. Good, and the same with this one, doesn't matter where it is. If it lands here, I will just have to check. That was my bottom right corner, so I must make sure that my ending place is in the bottom right corner of the block. All right, I hope you guys understand. Moving, last one is turning.